Right, good day everyone. So I just want to show you guys how Riyadh, Saudi Arabia being hit by sandstorm at the moment. Look at this. So I am here at the rooftop of our building. So as you can see here, Riyadh is covered by sandstorm at this very moment. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god. So all you can see is sands. It's like a foggy. Yo, look at that. Zero visibility. So yeah, just want to warn everyone to take care of driving outside. So if you don't have any important things to do outside, just stay at home. It will be very dangerous driving outside at this very moment. Oh my god. So yeah. Oh my god, look at that. Yeah. I cannot see the whole city of Riyadh over here. Oh my god. Yeah. The whole Riyadh is covered by sandstorm. This sandstorm started yesterday. So until now, they're still there. So it's almost 48 hours having this sandstorm. As you can see here, despite of the sandstorm, there are still men working in the construction. See, you can still visibly do things. So the work must go. Hopefully this won't worsen anymore. Let's stop as soon as possible. So hi guys, as you can see, we are here at Saudi Arabia. I believe it's uh, almost all parts of Saudi Arabia are being hit by sandstorm right now because we all know that the winter will be gone soon. So this will be the start of the summer. So right now there is sandstorm, but let's see. I'll try to go to Bacala just to buy something or whatever I can buy. So let's see the situation here. Ayan. So kailangan natin maglakad ng ilang kilometro bago marating yung Bacala. So yeah, look at that. Exercise na din. So I just have face mask, protection sa alikabok dahil sa sandstorm. Ayan. I think the situation here, medyo light pa yung sandstorm, pero I believe dun sa sentro ng Riyadh it's heavy. Look at that, parang foggy siya. So dito medyo tolerable pa, manageable pa yung sandstorm. So let's see. Mag-isa kasi today is my day off. Wala pa namang tao ay wala pa namang masyadong tanggalin muna natin yung mask. Look at that desert. So yung desert to unti-unti na nagkakaroon ng mga bahay. I think company villa or estiraha yan. Lots of construction going here on this part of Riyadh. So hindi na ito nasa city. This is my first time going in this part at this time. Tingnan natin kung bukas mga tindahan or kainan.